You're watching WECT News at 6.
That's right, it's Bieber fever. It's invaded one Brunswick County couple's wedding, and they've gotten a lot of attention on the internet for it.
Roger Pagoda surprised his new bride by singing to her Justin Bieber's Baby. It looks like she was singing too. He posted the video online, and since being picked up by a top Bieber fan site, it's gotten almost 50,000 views on YouTube.
Yeah, and WECT's Will Tapper is not necessarily the biggest Bieber fan in the world, but he caught up with those newest internet sensations.
Then the cue came from the minister, and I was like, okay, it's go.
Roger Pagoda's seen a constant stream of emails, mostly from YouTube, ever since he posted a video of him singing Justin Bieber's Baby to his new wife, Olga, with a few changes, of course.
In the chorus, he says, baby, 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 no. So we just changed it to O. You can see the thought process that went into that. That was some deep thinking going into that one.
He's seen all kinds of comments from OMG to OMB heart. The B being for Bieber, of course.
I think the guys are pretty angry with me because now they got to step up their game a little bit.
And his internet game has seen a boost ever since his video was picked up by JustinBieberZone.com. The video's gotten about 8,000 views from that site alone. He says he hasn't always been the biggest Bieber fan, but things have changed.
We're believers now, as they say. That's what they call it. You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart.
He says down the road, when a new generation of tweens won't have Bieber fever, he'll show the video to his own kids.
Someday I'm going to be able to embarrass my kids so horribly with this video when they have their friends over, and that's probably what we're looking forward to the most. 15, 20 years down the road.
But for now, they'll just enjoy their newfound internet fame. Will Tapper, WECT News.
Pagoda says some of his friends have told him he should try to get on shows like Ellen with the video. She's a huge Bieber fan.
I mean, no kidding.
Really?
It could happen.
Yeah.
To see the whole video and see if you're a true believer, go to our website, WECT.com, and click on this story on the homepage. You know, he doesn't have a bad voice.
No, but he says he's going to embarrass his children in the future with that video. Mm-hmm. I think it's going to be the other way around.
Oh, yeah.
And Dad's about 50. Hey, Dad, remember this? And they'll pop it back up, and he's going to be doing this.
I love his guts that he just burst out in the song.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well done, Roger.
It was.